My name is Dominik Antoni. I am the plant manager at the Andechser Dairy and responsible for all operational processes, ranging from purchasing, materials management, production planning, and production to technology, maintenance, and quality assurance. Here at the Andechser Dairy, we exclusively process organic milk, organic goat's milk, organic cow's milk, into a wide range of dairy products, from alpine butter to goat's yogurt. My name is Tobias Meyer. Since 2019, I have been employed as a project manager at the Andechser Dairy. In 2019, we secured two projects. One of the projects was in the area of PCS, while the other was in the area of MES. The PCS project saw us automate various plants that were previously operated manually. The MES project incorporated complete plant recording. The greatest benefit for us of working with ProLeiT is the continued automation of processes that were previously carried out manually. We could improve planning with the ProLeiT planning module and further digitalized all our processes. This enabled us, in particular, to join up the interfaces between sales, sales planning, and production. Our software solution provides every operator at every workstation with all the necessary software tools. This means that any operator can debug the plant and detect faults at any time, from the Visu recorder to research tools. And another major aspect was the reorganization of plant planning. We integrated our new detailed planning system, thus reducing the planning effort by 50%. This web-based access allows every shift supervisor to participate in the planning process, enabling real-time rescheduling. As a result, they in principle know precisely when each product was produced, so that the filling order can be started on time. Due to improved planning and data availability, our production is now much more efficient, and we are much quicker in making day-to-day business decisions. Through planning, we have substantially enhanced processes in the filling department, minimized waiting times, and increased transparency for all employees. Now that all production data are also available and can be analyzed, we are able to identify sources of inefficiency and effectively eliminate them. Our primary focus is on the conservation of nature and natural resources. We have selected ProLeiT as our partner to actively pursue and achieve this goal. Even in challenging and complex project scenarios, we have always collaborated closely and successfully achieved all project objectives. We look forward to continuing our collaboration.